So what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So today what we're gonna be doing is rebuilding Barcelona. As you guys know, last week was a 8-2 embarrassment that Barcelona suffered to Bayern. I'm pretty sad because I'm a Barca fan, but it's okay. So what I want to do is basically move on from all the players from La Masia like Messi, Busquets. Basically bring a new group of stars to Barcelona. So we're gonna be doing that. So we're gonna have to sell Messi, unfortunately. So we're gonna sell Messi. We're gonna sell Suarez because I want to bring like a brand new group. We're gonna sell Busquets, Piqué also, Rakitic. I know he's not from La Masia, but basically, like technically, he's from that group from 2015 who won the treble. So I just wanna like a brand new group. Sergio Roberto can stay. I think that's it. Mm, yeah, that's it. Cause I don't think I can sell Griezmann. What should I do with Griezmann? Leave it in the comments. So we're just gonna simulate until we get an offer for any player. And wait. So we're just gonna offer what is for Semedo. I think I'm keeping Semedo. I don't want to sell him. Uh, so yeah, let's start simulating. We just got an offer for Iñaki Peña. I don't really mind. Yeah, he can go in now. I don't know if we're gonna actually get an offer for Messi because I've tried to sell him before and it doesn't really happen. So I think we're gonna have to trade him. We just got an offer for Busquets. We're gonna have to negotiate that, try to get as much as money as possible. Because what I want to do for this rebuild is actually like bring like build a superstar team around around Barcelona. So we're gonna need the money. I think we have to ask for 85 million for Busquets, which Guardiola said. So Busquets is going to Manchester City. Oh shit, it froze. I hate when that happens. The player all weird standing there. There you go. So I don't know if I'm gonna get an offer for Messi. So if it doesn't happen in the trade, the market window's closing, we're just gonna have to trade him away. Like, so we got an offer for Suarez and Sergio Roberto. I don't plan selling Sergio Roberto, and I think Suarez. We're gonna have to negotiate that. So I think we're gonna ask for 90, 98 million for Suarez. Nah, they don't want him. We're just gonna wait for another offer because the Spurs don't have the money for Suarez. So Busquets is sold. I want to bring another defender to replace Piqué. So I don't know who should I bring. We get an offer for Rakitic. We can negotiate it also. I was thinking about bringing Neymar back or bringing Mbappe to play striker next to Griezmann and throw Griezmann in the wing, but I don't know yet. We're gonna ask for 69 million for Rakitic. Let's see. Nah, come on, bro. 57. Nah, bro. I'm selling you. So we couldn't get we couldn't get them all, so we're just gonna wait for another offer to come. Let's keep simulating. So we get another offer for Rakitic. Let's go negotiate that also. They say Rakitic values in between 38 and 56, so I think we can get at least 55 for him. So let's negotiate that with Juventus. So 55, and they accept the offer. So Rakitic has been sold. So let's keep simulating. So we have an offer for Sergio Roberto, as I said before. I'm not planning on selling him, so let's just keep simulating. Who do you guys got on the finals for Bayern and PSG? Personally, me, I think I don't really mind who wins, but I would like Bayern to win. I think they deserve it. They've been the best team since the restart, since COVID. So we get another offer for Sergio Roberto. I think we're just gonna reject it. Yeah, I want Bayern to win. I don't really want Neymar to win it because I want him back in Barca. I feel like if he wins with PSG, he's just gonna stay there. So hopefully one day he returns to Barcelona. So I think we're gonna go look for a midfielder. I was thinking about Kevin De Bruyne, but I don't really think he fits with what I want to do. Because I want to keep the 4-3-3 lineup, but I don't know. So let's see. Did I put Jordi Alba on the sell sell market in the market? Okay. We're also selling Jordi Alba. So let's continue. So we get an offer for Piqué, which we're gonna also negotiate. It's from Real Madrid, so he's most likely going to Real Madrid. That's interesting. Piqué and Sergio Ramos, like Spain. So we're gonna go negotiate that. I think we can get at least 65 for Piqué. Let's see what they say. And they accept the offer. So Piqué is going to Real Madrid. We're just gonna go look for a replacement. We're also gonna bring a midfielder in. So we're gonna look for a defender and a midfielder. So I was thinking Koulibaly for the defense center back. Oh, he's been sold. Manchester City. Never mind then. I was thinking about Marquinhos also. Mar- Marquinhos to play next to Lenglet. Let's see. Let's see if we can lowball PSG. Hopefully we can. So offer transfer fee. Okay. So we're gonna offer our initial offer is gonna be 65 million. Let's see if they accept that offer. They want 100 for. We're not giving them 100, bro. We'll give you 75. Let's see. Come on, bro. Work with me. They don't wanna sell them. Let's see. 85. That's my final offer. Okay. They accepted that. So we're gonna bring Marquinhos in. I'll catch you guys later when he's officially in the team. So I didn't see that they were gonna think about it. So he's not. He didn't. They didn't officially accept the offer. So let's see what they say. Who else can we bring to the team? So they accepted it. So let's start negotiating with Marquinhos. So I'll catch you guys later when he actually becomes now part of the team. So guys, we got Marquinhos. He's officially in the team. So let's go put him in the starting lineup. So we still haven't gotten an offer for Piqué, but I feel like he's. Oh no, he was sold already. So let's put Marquinhos in starting lineup. I still want to bring another defender, like to have four center backs. We're also gonna bring a left back, and we still haven't gotten an offer for Messi. So I think we're gonna start to see if we can trade him. So Piqué is officially sold. So we get an offer for Suarez from PSG, I think. Yeah, PSG. So we're gonna go negotiate that. I think we can get a 95 million for Suarez easily. So hopefully we do. And I think to replace Suarez, I think I'm gonna bring in Mbappe. So 95 million. Let's see. Okay, and they accept the deal. So Suarez is gonna be sold. We still haven't got an offer for Messi. I think we're gonna have to start looking to trade him. So Suarez is officially sold. We get an offer for Alex Collado. I've never heard of him, so we're just gonna say we get an offer for Dembele and Jordi Alba. I think I'm gonna keep Dembele and Jordi Alba. I think we're gonna go negotiate that for left back. I was thinking Davis, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to buy him. So I was thinking another good option was Gaya from Valencia. So we're gonna look at that right now. I think we can get 75 million for Jordi Alba. I don't think that's too greedy. 70 million. Give me 73, bro. Let's be greedy. Okay, and they accept 73 for Jordi Alba. Honestly, that's way too much for Jordi Alba, but hey, I'm not complaining, right? So we're just gonna look for Gaya. We're gonna look at Davis and Gaya. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to buy him. Oh, no, we're not. So we're gonna look for Gaya from from Valencia. Let's approach to buy him. No, they can negotiating. So let's start negotiating with Valencia. Hopefully we can get Gaya for a good price. Let's see. Let's offer them 35 million. They want 40. I'll give you 38, 39, basically. I mean, every you can say it's only a million, but money's money, bro. I mean, everything you can save is good. Because right now we're rebuilding with Barcelona, but I was thinking about rebuilding with like teams that don't have like a big budget. So a million for those teams is a lot of money. So I'll catch you guys when he's officially part of the team. So Gaya is officially in the team. So we're just gonna go put him in the starting lineup. So let's go put him. We're gonna have Semedo starting. Right now we need another two midfielders to cover Rakitic and Busquets, and we need a striker. And we're not playing any games with Messi, so we're just gonna start to look for a trade. So I was thinking buying Mbappe. We're just gonna leave him there right now, and we're also who should we? Let's just start simulating and let's see. Hopefully, we get an offer for Messi soon. We get an offer for Jordi Alba, but he's already been sold. So, uh so we're just gonna have to start looking for deals because the first game is gonna be soon. It's getting here soon. So let's look for Neymar. I'm just gonna ask for Neymar, like the swap between Neymar and Messi. So let's see if they accept that. I was also thinking about Dybala and to trade him for Messi, but I don't think they'll accept that. So let's see if we can swap Neymar with Messi, or if they want money. Let's see. Player swap Messi. They want 131 million plus Messi. Come on, bro. I'm not giving you that. I'll give you 50, and I think that's a lot. No. So we couldn't bring Neymar in. So we're just thinking we're just gonna try to get Mbappe, but like buy him straight up. So let's go do that right now. I think I don't know what to do with Messi. Should we start Griezmann or should we also sell him? Leave it in the comments. 110. So let's see, 125 for him, 135, 136 for Mbappe, 145, and they said they're gonna think about 145. So right now we're just gonna look for another midfielder to cover Busquets and Rakitic. So I was thinking, honestly, you guys may call me crazy in the comments, but Ndindi from Leicester, he's really good. So we're just gonna look for him. I think he gets the job done. So let's go look for him. Let's go try to buy him. So our first offer is gonna be 55 million. No, 50 million. Let's see if they accept that offer. And they do, so we're bringing in Ndindi. I'll catch you guys later when it's officially part of the team. So we just got Ndindi, and we're also gonna have to bring another midfielder in. So I was thinking, uh, about who should we bring? Let's just simulate a little bit more, cause my mind's going blank right now. So let's see if they accept the offer for Mbappe. We're not playing Messi in any game, so if he's still in the team by the first game, we're just gonna have to put him in the bench. So we're not selling him Titi. That guy already mine, so yeah. So the day is starting to get here, and we still have Messi on the team. So PSG didn't want to sell Mbappe, so we're just gonna have to negotiate that again. Our final offer for Mbappe is gonna be 150 million. If they don't accept that, honestly, we're not we're not giving them any more. 150, bro. That's it. 173. Okay, I have one more offer. 160. That's it. I'm not giving you any more money. Okay, Mbappe's coming to the team. I'll catch you guys later when he's officially here. So we officially have Mbappe in the team. So that's a good sign. We have Mbappe. So, but we still have Messi in the team. So let's put Mbappe in the starting lineup. And also in Indy. So we're gonna keep Fari on the bench. Vidal is going to the bench. We're starting in Indy. And Messi, sorry bro, but you're going to the bench. So we still haven't gotten an offer for Messi, which is really bad because tomorrow is the first game of the season. So honestly, at this point, we're just gonna try to get a right winger, or honestly, we're gonna try to get Salah. Nah, honestly, no. We need a star. So I don't know if I could ask for Neymar again. Let's try it. No, let's see. No. So the first game is here, so we're just gonna simulate that. We went through one. So we're gonna leave the video right here. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like. I know, guys, I was a little bit off because right now it's my first video. I've never done this before, so don't think I'm shy or anything. I'm not. I might get better as the days go by. So hopefully you guys can ride with me this new journey I'm starting. Hopefully it doesn't sound too cringy. And subscribe, like the video, and tell me in the comments what should I do with Messi. Should I just wait for an offer? Should I trade him with Griezmann? You guys want me to play him on the left wing, or I sell him, or what? Let me know. Thank you guys.